the letter Y. Let's hear my story.
Ali was eating his breakfast. On his plate was an egg with a bright yellow yolk. After he finished eating, Ali picked up his toy yo-yo. He spun it round and round.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter Z. Let's hear my story.
At the zoo, children lined up excitedly. They saw elephants, lions, and a cute black and white zebra. The zebra came close and said, "Zzz, hello!" The children laughed and waved. It was the best zoo day ever.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.